In this video, we are going to show a different or alternate method to connect your KitchenAid range. We already have another video out where we are using the KitchenAid app to connect the appliance. But in case if you are facing any difficulties while using the app to connect the appliance, you can just use this alternate method. For this method, we are going to connect the appliance to the home Wi-Fi router by following certain steps using the browser on your phone. Here I have an iPhone and I will be using the Safari browser to go through the steps for this method. The first step in this method is to beacon the appliance. In order to beacon the appliance, we are going to use the control knob for the right oven. On this knob, there are two rings, the outer ring which has the options bake, broil, etc., and the inner ring which has the temperature options. Always make sure that you are starting the knobs with the rings in clean and off position. Now, in order to beacon the appliance, turn the rings to the Wi-Fi position. So now both the rings are in Wi-Fi. You will see that the start button is blinking. Now I am going to quickly press and release the start button. At this point, the appliance has started beaconing. You have to go to the phone Wi-Fi settings. Right now I am at the phone's Wi-Fi settings and I am looking for the oven network. The oven network will be appearing in the form oven 88E712 followed by the last 6 characters of your MAC ID on the QR sticker. Tap on the oven network which is appearing under your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Now it will ask for a password. The password is the one for the oven's network. So this password is a SAID code which is located on the QR sticker of your appliance. So the QR sticker for this range is located next to the door hinge. I am going to now type in the password, which is the SAID code. When you are typing in the password, you have to make sure that all the characters in the set code, the letters have to be in the capital letter. So now I am going to type in the set code with all the letters as capital. So I have typed in the set code as password and then tap on the join option. Now when the oven is joined, you will see the message under the phone Wi-Fi settings saying that there is no internet connection. So this is an oven network, so there will not be any internet connection, and that is not a problem if you see the message no internet connection on the Wi-Fi settings. Now when the phone is connected to the oven network, we are going to open Safari browser, and in the browser on the search bar we are going to type in the IP address 192.168.10.1 and then tap enter or go. When you are done with that, we will see another web page with the model, serial and SAID of the range. And below the SAID code, you will see a picture of a router and a small box next to it. So tap on that box. When you tap on it, you will be able to see and select your home Wi-Fi network name. So I have selected the 2.4 network. Then you will be able to see another box below that where you have to enter the correct Wi-Fi password, which I am going to enter now. So I have done entering the Wi-Fi password. Below that you will see a blue arrow. I am going to tap on it. Then you will get the final web page, which is almost a blank web page with some equal to signs on the top left, and there you can also see square brackets. When you see this page, the connection steps are almost done, and in the next few minutes the appliance is expected to get connected to your home Wi-Fi router. You can see the orange light blinking, indicating that it is trying to connect to the router. So now we see the solid white light. It shows that the appliance is now connected to the home router. The next step in this connection process is we have to add this appliance to the app, which is quite easy. We just need to open the KitchenAid app on the phone, and then we can go to the appliances page on the app screen and then tap on the add appliance option. then select the kind of appliance we are going to connect, which is range, and then it gives the option to scan the QR code. Now I'm going to scan the QR code. So the QR code is now scanned, and immediately we got the message that the appliance is connected to the app account. So you can name the appliance, you can give it any name of your choice and tap on done. And we will see the oven in ready to cook, the left and the right oven. So this is an alternate method which you can try in case if there is any difficulty following the entire connection process through the KitchenAid app. Even after this, if you are not able to connect the appliance, please call us at the number provided on the screen. Thank you.